So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you a quick website that you can use, the best website that you can use to practice Linux command for free directly in your browser. Now in order to do, just simply open any of the browser you have, and here you need to search for CMD challenge. Once you search it, you will see this first website that appear right in front of you, that is CMD challenge. Just simply open it, and here you see this option of multiple challenges right there. You can see, starting with the very basic one, like how you can print hello world in the terminal. Like if I write echo hello world right there, starting with some basic commands, and it will level up once you start practicing it, and it's totally free to use. Here you can see there are multiple levels for the same, and it's totally free. You don't even need to sign in or pay anything, and you can practice Linux here only. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.